Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Today I will talk about visual testing. Visual testing verifies that application looks correct, not just that it is functional correctly. It helps detect unexpected layout changes, missing elements, color issues, font changes, and responses design problems. Visual testing helps QA engineer capture UI regression defects earlier. It is especially useful for validated layout, styling, and design consistency after code changes. Content introduction step. What is visual testing? Visual testing is a check appearance. Functional test check behavior. Like a visual test check the button moved, missing image, wrong color, broken layout. Why visual testing matters? UI bug can pass functional automation test, but still affect users. Visual regression test cross-browser UI validation and responses design checks. Install setup. Playwright already supports visual comparison. Confirm Playwright test is installed and the project runs successfully. First screenshot test. Create a baseline screenshot for comparison. Use a wait expected page have screenshot function. Run test first time. First run create expected screenshot. General first run usually fail because no baseline exists yet. Run test again. Second run compare current UI with baseline. If UI match, test passes. If UI changes, test fails. Update baseline. Sometimes UI changes are expected. Use NPX Playwright test. Update snapshots. 4-page screenshot. Capture the whole page, not just viewport. Use a wait expected page, have a screenshot, and set 4-page true equal to. Element screenshot. Compare only specific component. Use Locator screenshot comparison. Best practices. Keep visual test stable and meaningful. Avoid testing dynamically. Content, animations, time step, ads, and rhythm data. Let's look in the coding parts. I read 2 test cases. One is go to the home page. So this is the URL. Go to home page. Take a screenshot. This is for the whole page screenshot. Second test is go to the page, but this time use Locator find H1. So this is take the element screenshot. So this is get the H1, then take a screenshot. Because I have run the test, so this is a fold and screenshot, baseline screenshot existent here. So I will delete them. I delete this folder. Okay, so first run this one for test one. Before we introduce, first time when you run, generally is a fail because no baseline screenshot. So this time is just take a baseline screenshot. Okay, so this time is a fail because don't have this baseline screenshot. So I run again. You see here is a pass. So I go to look at this folder. So after run have this folder, you see this is a file name. This is snapshot. So open this folder. You can see this is the home page test. So we have the baseline screenshot. Then after you run test, each time is compare this baseline screenshot. If match, no difference is pass. If have a difference, not match, test fail. Okay, this is for the first test. And the second test, let me run. This is the first time run. So you see here is the same thing. Like first time, don't have this heading. So this is the first time run. So take this screenshot as baseline screenshot. So second time run is compare, get the new screenshot with this baseline screenshot. If match, pass. If not match, have difference is fail. So I can run second time. You see, second time is pass. So let me look at this one. You see, this is not a page. This is a web elements. So this is just H1 web elements. Get this web elements, get the text, and compare this one. Okay, I'll run from a command line. So just click this terminal. So open command line. I copy the text command here. So this time I just update snapshot because you see here we have two, but I can update. Is run. So you can see here we have more of the two of the web key. Before we have a Chrome mail screenshot. Now we have the heading web key screenshot and also homepage web key screenshot. So this is the command for this one. Another command I will run for, I want to use the UI run. So the UI run. Okay, it's open from here. So you can see here is the first test. You can see our test is a test home page. So you can click here. If I click here, all the run, I just one by one. You see, here is a take screenshot. This is step. You see the first home page, take screenshot is the test pass. And also compare the baseline screenshot. Second test, go to get the heading. That is H1 web elements screenshot. So I run this test. You see, here is one page, but screenshot is taken from the web elements and the locator. This is just web elements H1. So test passed. Test pass. Thank you for watching. See you next time.